Hi everyone, welcome to our first screencast, and we're going to be doing a little grammar lesson about common and proper nouns. Okay, something we already know is that a noun is a person, a place, or a thing. So for instance, a person could be someone you know like me, Mrs. McCracken. Or a place could be somewhere like OLQA School, or California, or Paris. Okay, so that would be some examples of a place. And a thing could be anything, like a dog, or a cupcake, or a swimming pool, anything like that. So we're going to be talking today a little bit about different types of nouns, and that would be common nouns and proper nouns. Nouns come in different types. That we have common nouns and proper nouns. So some examples of common nouns. Of common nouns would be a girl, a cat, an amusement park, or a day, like a day of the week. Okay, so these things are common nouns. So a girl could be any girl, that's a person. A cat, that would be a thing. An amusement park, that would be a place. And a day, that would also be a thing. So these are all examples of common nouns. Girl, cat, amusement park, or day. Now let's look at these and let's pretend they would be proper nouns. So a girl might be somebody named Jessica. And notice that Jessica now has a capital letter because Jessica is a proper noun. Okay, so now let's think of something for cat. Maybe you have a cat named Whiskers. So notice this time, Whiskers, since it's the name of your cat, it is a proper noun and it needs a capital letter. Knott's Berry Farm could be an example of a proper noun for an amusement park. And notice Knott's Berry and Farm, all capitalized. An example of a day could be, I don't know, Sunday. And once again, notice that Sunday has a capital letter because it is, again, a proper noun. Okay, so things to remember. A noun is a word that names a person, place, or thing. A common noun names any person, place, or thing. A proper noun names a specific person, place, or thing. It can be one word or more than one word. Each important word in a proper noun begins with a capital letter. Okay, so we're going to do some examples together, and then I'm going to let you go on your own. So right here, we're going to read each sentence and write common if the noun in boldface is a common noun. And we're going to write proper if it is a proper noun. So let's look at the first one. Our class went on a field trip to Miller Pond. Our class went on a field trip to Miller Pond. Okay, right here, our noun is a place, and that would be Miller Pond. And since it's a specific place, Miller Pond, it is, and it's capitalized, it is a proper noun. Okay, let's look at number 2. Ray needs that magnet for his science project. Now, magnet, this time, is the noun, but it's not a specific name of a magnet. It's just a regular magnet, and it's not capitalized. So we know that that one would be a common noun. Okay, let's read the next one. You can see the Brooklyn Bridge from this window. Brooklyn Bridge is the noun in the sentence. Would it be common or proper? If you said proper, you would be correct. And Brooklyn Bridge is a proper noun because it names a specific bridge, not just an ordinary bridge. Okay, let's do the next one. Dr. Edwards is an eye doctor. Dr. Edwards is in bold. Would it be a common noun or a proper noun? If you said proper noun, you would be correct. Okay, we're going to do one more, number 5. It says, Miss Panita is a teacher. Okay, look at teacher. Would teacher be a common noun or a proper noun? If you said common noun, you would be correct. Okay, good job so far. Okay, we are going to do some practice in our grammar book on Lesson 7, Common and Proper Nouns. You will work on grammar in your grammar book, page 36 and 37. After you finish your grammar pages, after you finish page 36 and 37, if you go to this link right here on YouTube, you can watch a fun little video about nouns. So enjoy. Good job, everybody.